Hi everyone, welcome to our week 14, which is the last week of this course. So at first, I want to thank you so much for your hard work in this course. I think we had a very great experience this semester, and all of you did a great job. So after you submitting your final assignment, I will send you your grades as soon as possible. So this is the final week, and next week there will be no course page posted. So you can have like about 2 weeks to finish your final assignment. So if you have any problem, you can just send an email to me, and I will try to reply as soon as possible. So next week we have 7 tasks in total, and based on all of your inputs in the code design document, so I create 5 tasks to help you learn something more about some of the technologies that you could use in the future. So the first task is about the introduction video, and the second one is Adobe Photoshop. So many of you have mentioned about the Photoshop. So Photoshop is one of the best tools to edit the photos and create some graphic design. So this is very useful. So if you are really interested, you can watch some beginner tutorial video. I provide some beginner tutorial video and some tutorial website. You can learn some of the skills from this website, and also I provide 2 online courses. So Photoshop is kind of very complex tool, so if you want to really learn it very well, you need to spend some time to take some courses. So that's just my recommendation. And for the Excel, some of you mentioned about the formatting equations. I'm not very familiar with that, so I found some videos and online resources. I hope this will be very helpful. And if you want to learn some other things about the Excel, you can go back to our Week 11 pages. So there are 2 links and some videos. I think that's very enough. That are very enough for you to learn some advanced skills about the Excel. And the task 4 is Adobe Creative Cloud. So I found 1 video and 1 online resource that can help you learn it well. For the Java, so Java is one of the most popular coding languages right now. It's very complicated and it's not easy to learn. So I just provide 1 beginner tutorial video and some online courses. So if you really want to learn Java, so I think it's very important to take some courses. I think our university also has some courses available. So if you are really interested, you can just take some courses, or there are some online courses you can also take them. So that's very important for learning Java. And for the movie maker, so there are so many movie makers available. So I do not know which one would be the perfect for me to introduce it to you. So I just provided 2 links. So in these 2 links, they provide some best movie makers for Mac and for the Windows. So if you are really interested, you can just take a look and choose one of the tools you will really want to learn. There are also some links for learning those tools in those 2 websites. So that's all for this week. You don't need to provide any reflection. You can just choose one of the tools if you really want to learn. And the last task for this week, and also the last task for this course, is to keep working on your final. So please remember the deadline is December 17th. So please submit the final assignment before that time, and after that I will send you the final grades. So that's all for this course. Thank you so much for your hard work in this course. This is a really great experience. So I hope the things you learn in this course will be helpful for your future career. So thank you so much, and bye.